Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shopify product branding images for higher conversions step by step clearly. Open your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the products section on the left sidebar. Select the product you want to update. Scroll down to the media section of the product page. Click on the Add Media button to upload a new image. Alternatively, drag and drop images directly into the media section. Ensure your images are high quality and visually appealing. Consider the appropriate image size and format for optimal loading speed. Remove any outdated or low quality images. Click on the pencil icon to edit existing images. Add alt text to each image for better SEO and accessibility. Rearrange images by dragging them into your preferred order. Use lifestyle images to showcase the product in use. Incorporate varied angles to provide a comprehensive view. Utilize videos if available to enhance the customer experience. Preview how your updated images look on the product page. Save all changes once you are satisfied with the updates. Test the product page on both desktop and mobile devices. Monitor the product's performance after the updates. Analyze conversion rates to determine the impact of your changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.